You've just completed a hard workout. But what do you do as soon as you've jumped off the treadmill and dropped those weights? Sit down, lie down, drink water. Most of us, in haste, get out of the gym and back to dry clothing, grab our water bottles and head off for the showers or back home. However, that's a mistake. In this video, we will learn the things you need to start doing after your workouts for a more effective and faster post-workout recovery. Stay tuned and keep on watching. Before we continue, a like would be great. Number 1. Hydrate. While it's kind of a no-brainer, reaching for water should be the first thing you do after working out. Your body loses fluids during exercises, so filling up after exercising helps boost recovery. Water supports all metabolic functions in the body. Water is always essential if you worked out for 30 minutes or less, but I recommend coconut water if you've worked out for longer than 45 minutes. When you work out for a longer period of time, you start to lose salt and electrolytes. And coconut water helps replenish these because it has potassium. And coconut water doesn't have as much sugar as those post-workout sports drinks. Number 2. Stretch it out. Working out is great, but don't forget to stretch when you finish. If you did a lot of running and cardio, then you should always stretch directly after because it allows your heart rate and nervous system to calm down. When you're lifting weights, we also like to recommend using foam rollers after the workout to relax the muscles and calm them down, which can get your mind, heart, and body refocused and back into a routine. After you've pushed your body and used up a lot of energy, it's like a car or a machine. You don't want to turn it off right away. You want to let the body slow down because if you don't, your blood can pool up and that's when you get cramps. When you rest and recover, you allow your body to bring the heart rate and nervous system back down, which allows your body to get refocused so it's able to do what it has to do next. We recommend stretching post-workout because your muscles are warm and pliable, so you can stretch them more than you could in the beginning. We suggest stretching and holding each position for more than 10 seconds per stretch. When you initially go into a stretch, your body tries to protect the muscles and tendons. So the longer you hold, the muscles, fibers, and nerves start to relax more, allowing for a deeper stretch. Number 3. Take care of inflammation. Each workout causes microscopic tears to your muscle fibers, and it's the job of the inflammation process to help repair the damage caused by the workouts while your body is in recovery mode, which is why we recommend ice or cryotherapy to help reduce inflammation. Another technique? Infrared sauna. It helps reduce inflammation by releasing heat shock proteins. Number 4. Eat some protein. When it comes to post-workout snacks, we recommend protein post-workout. Choose to set aside 20 to 30 minutes to take in some food after finishing a workout. It will optimize recovery, help reduce muscle soreness, and help individuals perform better during their next workout. Plus, it helps you avoid injury. We also recommend eating lean protein, a healthy carb that is minimally processed, and healthy fat after workout. You want to refuel your body. If you're more of a morning workout person, we recommend having a protein shake with chia seeds, overnight oats with chia seeds, a spoonful of almond butter and berries, eating a hard-boiled egg. Smearing peanut butter on a couple of rice cakes and topping it with banana slices is also great. For those who prefer to get a workout in the evening hours, they recommend eating organic chicken, fish, grass-fed beef, or organic tofu for your protein fix. To promote lean muscle mass, you need to be eating a clean diet, and do your best to follow an anti-inflammatory diet. The bottom line is that you need to refuel in order to recover your body. When it comes to eating, your body can't distinguish between thirst and hunger. So sometimes, pending the workout you've done, it might just need water right away to replace the fluids your body has lost. During exercise, the muscles use up stored glucose called glycogen, and levels become depleted. Endurance sports such as running use up more glycogen than resistance activities such as weightlifting. Another effective exercise is that the muscles develop small tears. Getting the right nutritional balance after exercise restores energy levels and reduces fatigue, helping the body repair muscles and build strength for future workouts. Proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats are all essential for the body's recovery. Number 5. Listen to your body. Because each of us is built differently, our post-workout recovery process will be different too. Being in tune with how your body is feeling is an extremely important part of quick recovery. If you are feeling tired or sore or notice decreased performance, you may need more recovery time or a break from working altogether. On the other hand, if you are feeling stronger the day after a hard workout, you don't have to force yourself to go slow either. As with anything that's related to fitness and your body, you will learn what works for your body post-workouts through trial and error. Maybe you need a light snack, or maybe you're someone who needs a heavier meal. But no matter what, don't skip out on your post-workout recovery no matter how much you might need that shower. Number 6. Change your clothing. Seems like a no-brainer, right? But maybe you're in such a hurry to get to the preschool drop-off line that you just don't have time to swap attire. So you're planning to get dressed for the day at home or work. Even if you can change your whole outfit, it's important to remove any wet clothing like your bra, underwear, and socks. Soggy workout clothing can trap moisture, promoting the growth of yeast, fungus, bacteria, and germs, and that can lead to breakouts or skin infections. Wet, sweaty clothing can trap dust and dirt that clogs pores and often leads to breakouts. It is recommended that you wipe off sweat using a clean towel during a workout and put on clean clothes after. Even if you're not at the gym, try to change out of sweaty clothes ASAP. Although your sweat and clothes might dry after you leave the gym, the smell of your hard work will probably stick around. Cotton absorbs water and deflects body oil, but high-tech performance gear made of synthetic materials is made specifically to deflect water. For that reason, those wicking fabrics absorb body oils and, unfortunately, the body odor that comes along with it. And to avoid the lingering smell of bacteria left on your clothing, it is recommended to rinse athleisure pieces immediately after use. Alternate your workout clothes and don't leave them in dark places where they will stay wet for long periods of time, such as a gym bag, according to the Observer. Plus, there's nothing worse than getting to a middle of a workout or even the end of a workout and feeling the painful sensation of chafing. Chafing can happen anywhere on your body that is repeatedly rubbed. Number 7. Take a cool shower. You don't need to take an ice bath like a pro football player, but adjust the shower's temperature to lower than you typically do. A cool shower can increase the healing process and decrease your muscle inflammation after a workout, and reducing inflammation lowers your chances of soreness the next day. Finish up your high-intensity exercise and switch to a gentler form of exercise for the cool-down portion of your workout. This should begin to decrease your heart rate. Cool-down should take from 5 to 10 minutes. Once your heart rate has started to come down, start to stretch your muscles. This will help clear out lactic acid and prevent soreness from exercise. Start your shower at a lukewarm temperature so that you don't shock your body with the temperature change. As your body temperature begins to come down, you can adjust the water to make it colder. Use an antibacterial soap to clean sweat and bacteria off your body as your heart rate continues to increase. For the last 90 seconds of your shower, bring the water temperature down so that it is as cold as you can stand it. Make sure to hit your major muscle groups with a blast of cold water to refresh and re-energize your tired muscles. Dry off completely with a clean towel before stepping into your post-workout clothes. Are you ready to start doing this right after all your workouts? Share your thoughts in the comments below.